Hello everyone, my name is Kackley. I'm currently a business major over here at the Citadel. Today I'm reading you guys a book. It's called The Family Book. You can see that? Let me get closer, y'all can see it. The Family Book by Todd Parr. Some families are big, some families are small. Some families are the same color. Some families are all different colors. All families like to hug each other. See the bears hugging? Some families live near each other. However, some families live far from each other. Some families look alike, and some families look like their pets. All families are very sad when they lose someone they love. See the fish all by himself now? Some families have a stepmom or stepdad, and stepsisters or stepbrothers, and some families adopt children. Some families have two moms or two dads, and some families just have one parent instead of two. See the mom with her little birds. All families like to celebrate special days together. Like their birthday, it's a big special day. Some families eat the same things, and some families eat different things. Some families like to be quiet, and some families like to be loud, and the dogs barking at night. Some families like to be clean, and some families like to be messy. Some families live in a house by themselves, and some families share a house with other families. All families can help each other be strong. So they're all helping each other. There are lots of different ways to be a family. Your family is special no matter what kind it is. Love, Todd. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.